Hi friends, today I have Stealth Excel concept through which we can strengthen our national security, or it will help the border forces to safeguard our motherland. So let us see what is that concept. This is Stealth Excel and it is highly customizable and scalable. It is having artificial intelligence enabled and high-end technology enabled, though it can also be controlled through remotely, and it is having intercommunication and data sharing between other excels. So basically it will work in a group of excels to defend our national security. It will help our national security to defend enemy forces. So let us see what are the things. From this diagram we can see that this is having egg-like structure, and this dome is basically a signal receiver and transmitter dome. It is having two sets of antennas. It is highly customizable. We can customize this according to our sweet will. So these are the things I have added here. Two piece of laser beam. It is having one all-weather telescopic day and night high definition and thermal imaging camera. It is also having night vision through which we can trace enemy during night time. Then it is having non-glossy camouflage paint and design so that we can hide it, so it will be not easily traced out by the enemy. Then it is having rocket launcher for the intruder. So rocket launcher means the rocket will go upward after launching, and it will signal our forces that some intruder came into our space. And then it is having a loudspeaker or siren for the intruder. So through loudspeaker or siren it will alarm the intruder that you have entered to our motherland, so please go back. Then it is having one grenade launcher. After that siren, if that intruder came again near to the excels, it will launch grenade depending upon the distance. Then it is having 360 rotating platform, so it will rotate 360 degree over this x-axis, and accordingly these all will work together. So whenever there will be any enemy, it will work together as a team. And it is also having inbuilt radar. It is also having medipack for our soldiers in case of any emergency. It can help our soldiers. Then it is having one shotgun or rifle and one long range sniper rifle, so that from 1 kilometer also it can target the enemy and also destroy the enemy. Then it is having diamond shaped stealth material enclosure. It will help protect it from any stealth. Sorry, this will add stealth technology and it will protect it from radar of other enemy side. And then it is having 6 telescopic stand for proper balance and elevation in hard situation or snowfall area. So during snowfall, 3 stand will come up and place nearby, and again rest 3 stand will come up. So by this it can increase or decrease its height. So when there will be snowfall, that ice will come this side. Then it is having ball joint for easy maneuver anywhere, and it is also having triangular foot for better grip and stability. It is having bulletproof shell to withstand contingency, and also it is having power distribution and sharing cable. It is so within this lower side compartment there will be battery, so it will be battery operated. So it can also help other excels, and also it can work as a team, and it will protect our nation or safeguard our nation from enemy. So this model can be better understood through 3D modeling, 3D realistic 3D animation. So with 2D diagram, this much I can did here. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and share and subscribe my video. Thanks.